Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what's similar to the iOS, so maybe you need to check also that part, because you will have similar way to find this option. And now, on your Android device, open settings. I have stock Android right here, and we need to go to accessibility. On my phone, it's located at the bottom. Right here we have it, tap on it, and also I need to scroll down again and find audio adjustment. And I also have it at the bottom. Tap at this line, and right here we have volume balance. Now, to change it for the right earbud, if you have a problem with the right one, you just move this dot to the right. And now what we did? We just increased the volume on the right ear cup, but lower it for the left ear cup. And if you use, let's say, 100% on the right ear cup, you will totally mute sound on your left ear cup. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to Apple device. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Tap at this line, then scroll down again, and in the hearing we have audio and visual. Enter here, now scroll down, and right here we have volume balance. To change this balance for the left earbud, let's say you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot, or if you have iOS 26 a slider, to the left. And now what we did, we just increased the volume on the left earbud, but lowered for the right earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the right ear cup, you just move the slider to the right ear cup. But once you use, let's say, 100% on the right ear cup or on the left, you will totally mute the sound on the left earbud. Again, we just increase the volume on the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!